What's the meaning of assembly? Assembly. Assembly.
Assembly. Assembly. Assembly refers to the process of combining individual components or parts to create a complete finished product. This term is commonly used in manufacturing and construction industries. The purpose of assembly is to simplify the production process, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. It involves multiple steps, including component identification, inventory management, quality control, and final assembly. The end result is a functional product that meets the desired specifications and standards. Assembly is critical for mass production of goods and plays a vital role in the modern manufacturing industry.